Now, what you hear a lot of marketers saying is that the money is in the list, and that is true. But it's not that easy to just make money from your list. Of course, you could do it for the list for the first little while, promote affiliate products to your list, and make some money. But eventually, your list may burn out, which is what happens to a lot of marketers. So it's very important to nurture your list so that you could profit from your list in the long run. All right. So when people opt into your list, um, you have a squeeze page. I'm sure you should know that by now if you're familiar with email marketing. Is when you build a list, you have a squeeze page. Of course, there are other ways to build a list without a squeeze page, but I'm not going to get into that right now. This video, I want to talk about building a relationship with your list. So it's important to have autoresponder follow-ups in place. And basically, what you do is if you have GetResponse or Aweber or any other list management email marketing softwares, is that you would set up an autoresponder where you have these automated emails sent to your subscribers when they opt in. So the first email could be a thank you for subscribing. Here's a link to your free gift. A second email could be a content email providing some good tips. If you do not have any good advice or you're not good at writing, you could always get PLR products, PLR articles, or PLR books, and just copying some helpful content or valuable content from those sources. Okay, so generally you'd want to have anywhere between 1 and 7 follow-ups. Okay, and somewhere if you have 7 or 10 follow-up emails, in between those you could put in some promotional emails as well. Okay, but it's very important that you're building a relationship with your list and that you're letting them know that hey, you're not here just to sell them something, that you're also here to help them with whatever it is they signed up for. Okay, another helpful thing to do when you're building a relationship with your list is to write blog posts every once in a while so that subscribers know the value of being on your list. And what I do is I include links to my blog posts in the signature of my emails. So even when I'm promoting something, well, hey, look, you're going to see at the bottom of my email, below my signature, there's links to some valuable blog posts. So it's like, look, hey, I'm selling something to you, but hey, you don't have to buy something from me today. You could check out some of my blog posts if you want to learn more. All right. Okay, so I hope I've covered everything in this video on how to build a relationship with your list. Again, you want to get the message out there that you're not here to just sell something to your list. Okay, you need to build a relationship with them and know that you're here to help them.